32-inch Android tablet includes everything you need to connect your display to vibrant high-speed digital content. A complete software and hardware signage solution providing a high-quality digital signage system. Rich, dynamic, high-speed content for notices, public announcements, advertisements, and more. It's flexible, easy to use with state-of-the-art Android technology suitable for any make of digital display. Let's take a look at 32-inch tablet feature. Plastic housing design, super slim and lightweight. Support 1080p full viewing angle. Projected capacitive touchscreen for option. Customized design acceptable for hardware and software. Thanks for watching.